Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add and switch languages in Visual Studio. If you're looking to use Visual Studio in a different language, like French or any other, but can't find the option, stick around. I'll guide you through the simple steps to install and switch to your preferred language. Let's get started. Go to the Start menu and search for Visual Studio Installer. Open it. In the installer, locate your installed version of Visual Studio and click on the Modify button. In the Workloads tab, switch to the Language Packs tab. Check the box for the languages you want to install. Click the Modify button to start the installation. Visual Studio will download and install the language pack. After installation, open Visual Studio. Choose the newly installed language from the drop-down list and restart Visual Studio. And that's it. Now you can easily add and switch languages in Visual Studio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.